Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make soya sauce chicken. Hello everyone, welcome to another recipe video of Carinderia. These are the following ingredients that we need: cinnamon bark, cloves, star anise, crushed garlic, palm sugar, bunch of spring onion, slices ginger, rice wine, soy sauce, sesame oil, and water, and a whole medium chicken. Then for the sauce, we need minced spring onion and ginger.
First, heat up the spices: garlic, cinnamon bark, star anise, and cloves. Let the flavor and fragrance comes out. Then add in the water. Soy sauce, rice wine, ginger, palm sugar, spring onion. Cover, let it boil. When it's boiling, turn the heat into medium, then add in the sesame oil. Give it a stir. Then submerge the chicken. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the chicken, simmer it again for another 10 minutes, or check the doneness by poking the leg part. Make sure there is no blood at all. Then let it cool before cutting. While it is cooling, prepare sauce. Heat pan. Add in a generous amount of oil. Make it hot. When it's hot enough, turn off the fire, then add in the ginger and spring onions. Sauté till the temperature of the oil lower down, then season it with salt and pepper. Give it a stir, then you're good. Then plate it to your liking. Here it is, Carinderia's soya sauce chicken.
Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell button to notify you when I have a new video upload.